For $10, you can win one of our custom tables. Welcome to another episode of Sawdust Diaries. So today we're doing something a little bit different. You guys may have already seen, we've done a couple promos. I've sent out an email. We've done a couple lives where we've talked about this table and the fact that we are giving this thing away for a fundraiser for VO2. If you're not familiar with VO2, that's a couple guys that started a gym up in Pueblo, Colorado, and I think it's Devil Dog something gym. And what they do is they specialize in working with vets with PTSD and other issues, maybe drug, alcohol issues, whatever, and they get them into physical fitness and actually even doing events like Tough Mudders and the Spartan races, and they actually get them involved and helps them become part of the community and be able to assimilate back into society after all the things that they've been through, not even to mention all the things that they've done for us as Americans to keep us free. So over the years, we've done several different fundraisers for them in order to get them funds that they can take groups and go to some of these races, the Spartan race and the Tough Mudders. As a matter of fact, I was actually working in the pits with them when they were here in Laughlin, doing a World's Toughest Mudder here, and it was amazing. I got to spend lots of time with Chris Carter and David Hess, who are again the founders of this whole VO2, which is Veterans Overcoming Obstacles. This is an amazing group of people. We've also met and had breakfast with a lot of the people that are kind of behind the scenes and run this organization. Well, I got a call the other day from David, and they're having a tough time actually even staying open. Because all the veterans that come in there, they don't even charge them. It is a gym, and people can come in and join the gym, and they've got a terrific facility up there. So if you're not a veteran, you can be part of the gym, but they don't charge veterans. It's all completely free for veterans to come in and train and be part of all of this. And they're struggling. They're really having a tough time. So we're doing something special this time. We're giving away one of our tables for a $10 donation. Your name goes into a bucket. So if you donate 50 bucks, you get 5 entries. In a few weeks, we don't know the date yet, but in a few weeks, we'll be doing a drawing. This table, and this comes with legs. This is just the tabletop. Comes with legs complete, ready to go. So we are donating this, and we're shipping it to you for free if you're in the lower 48 United States. We can't ship to Alaska or Hawaii or let alone Europe. But these guys have a heart for vets. They are vets themselves, obviously. They have a heart for vets, and they give it all for them. This is not something that is a normal thing for us. What I'm asking is for you to consider throwing in a donation. We're trying to raise as much money for them as we can to keep them going. And again, a $10 ticket gets you an entry to win this. And then Vicky's keeping track of all that. All the funds, 100% of it goes to these guys up there. We're not keeping any of this. This is a $3,000 table, and we're shipping it for free. And so it's all done through GoFundMe. You'll see a link in the description below. You can go right over there and make your donation. Make sure if you do that and you want to be entered in to win this thing, be sure and put your name in there, because you can donate anonymously, and that's fine. You can do that, but unless we know your name, Vicky can't put your ticket or your into the bucket. And she literally is going in there. Everybody that donates, she's going in there, and whatever multiples of 10, she's putting that many with your name literally in a bucket. And then sometime mid-July, I don't know exactly when, we'll be doing the drawing. We'll be doing it maybe on a Friday Night Live. Nobody's more skeptical about fundraisers than me, but this one's legit, and it is top-notch. These guys are amazing what they do. They have changed so many veterans' lives. In fact, I'd encourage you guys, there's also going to be a link in the description go over and check out their website. They've got a full website with their mission statement and everything that they do. Go check them out. You know, do your research. Let's try and keep these guys going. We so appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. You'll hear more about this. We're going to be promoting it for the next few weeks, and we sure appreciate all the support that you guys give us and any support that you guys can give to these guys, and good luck. Thanks so much. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.